that's treble blowing it.
Mr. Taylor sounds good.
Mr. Taylor does sound good. But that's treble, man. You can blow any damn call he picks up.
Not any of them.
Yeah.
Most of them.
Every one I've ever seen you pick up.
I got something else I want to show you.
That is a good call, though. It's got a good sound to it. Yeah.
I can tell the difference in a single reed and double reed.
Probably the early 80s.
Something else I'm asked all the time. Like, I'm using a ICU2, which is a double reed. I'm using a prime meat, which is a single reed for hunting. And I'm asked all the time, what's the difference in a single reed and a double reed? Well, a single reed, you can show a little bit more different ducks, like on your coarseness, and find like a fine hen swimming her quacks and be like, a coarse hen be like, okay, on the double reed, you can't get rid of all the nasal sound, but it'll still give you a duck sound. The fine hen quacks on a double reed be like, the coarse hen be, as you can tell, a little bit of difference there. Here's a single, here's a double, and if you scroll out on a double, you get the on a single. But what I like about the double, it's a little bit lighter, and you can whine, feed, cluck all at the same time when ducks are right on top of you, and all you use is a whole lot when they're over the top of me. But it's just good to be able to have all the different sounds. And actually, as far as the top end, they both blow about the same, but you just show a little bit more difference and can't get rid of all the nasal sound and stuff out of the double. But if you got two of them set right, they'll pretty well give you every sound a duck will make. So I hope that help anybody interested in trying to decide. Double reed's a little bit easier as far as beginners just starting out. It's a little easier for them to have, a little bit more realistic sound. You have to put a little bit more into it on a single, but they both excellent calls.
All right, Trey, we got to get our jerk strings.